Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know I had to jump on this Dollar Tree lemon train going around. So I wanted to create a few pieces for my kitchen. So starting off, I want to make this little stool slash pedestal type thing that I've seen all over Pinterest and Instagram. So I'm just taking this plastic frame, and I chose this one because it has a faux wood look to it. So I thought that would be great for distressing. And I'm just going to mix up some chalk paint and some acrylic paint to kind of lighten it up a bit. This color is called Cashew by Waverly, and then just a white paint by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to give this 2 coats. So for the legs of the stool, I chose these little trophies that you get in the party favors section at Dollar Tree. And these are made of plastic as well, so I just used some pliers to kind of break off the little arms. It wasn't the easiest. I had to use some sandpaper to sort of sand down the leftover pieces, but I did like the shape of these a lot, so I just wanted to stick with it. So once I had all of the legs painted and everything's dried, I just flipped my frame over, ripped off the little back to that, and I'm going to hot glue down all 4 legs in each corner. So now that we have our pieces all glued together and we have our stool, I'm going to take a wet cloth and start to distress some of that original gray color through. So moving on to the next DIY, I'm taking an 8x10 frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to give it a coat of paint with the same paint I've been using, just so everything is matching and cohesive. And I'm just going to make a sort of like French country farmhouse message board. And to distress this, I'm using some gray acrylic paint. I just kind of made a mixture of a dark gray paint to match with the stool. And I'm just going to use a sponge from the Dollar Tree and just start to distress this. The best thing about distressing is nothing has to be perfect. And once that is all dry, I'm just going to flip it over to the back, and I'm going to take some Dollar Tree twine, measure it across, fold it over once on itself so we have 2 pieces of twine kind of overlapping, and I'm going to hot glue this down and then repeat it towards the bottom of the frame. So I ended up gluing a music sheet that I got from a songbook here I have at home, and I just glued it to the back of the cardboard and then placed that back inside the frame using the little metal like claws to hold it down as tightly as possible. And then I'm just taking some of these tiny clothespins from the Dollar Tree, and I printed out two sort of vintage inspired botanical prints off of Pinterest. And I'm just going to use the safety pins, or I'm sorry, the clothespins to hold these in place on the twine. Now, I could not find any of the lemon glasses at my Dollar Tree, so I just decided to make my own using a mason jar, and then I found this notepad with these cute little lemon bunches on them. So I'm just going to cut out a few of those and use some Mod Podge to glue them onto the mason jar. And here's how everything turned out. I think it gave my kitchen a nice little pop of summer. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.